You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all correctly this brand name. If you want to learn more fashion brand names in particular that too many people, everybody mispronounces, I've got tons more videos for you, so stay tuned until the end. I'll suggest a few. Urban, so that's your English pronunciation here. Urban British English or urban American English. Revivo, yes, not in Spanish it would be revivo, but it's not Spanish. Revivo, Urban Revivo. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.